Welcome to this beautiful low-country home located conveniently on Ladies Island. You will enter the property, which is surrounded by attractive fencing and encompasses 2 large lots through the remote-controlled electronic gate. The exterior of this home has established lush Charleston-style landscaping irrigated by a private well. Upon entering this lovely 3,000 square foot home with hardwood floors throughout, you will notice the wood-burning fireplace in the comfortable living room with the custom built-in entertainment center. The living room connects to the formal dining room and the luxurious kitchen, which has custom cabinetry, granite countertops, and a central island with a breakfast bar with plenty of room for preparing your family dinners. There are additional glass front display cabinets that add a sense of elegance to this custom home. The kitchen also has breakfast nook with skylights, making it feel bright and airy. The spacious first-floor master bedroom with vaulted ceilings has its own private dressing room and a large bath with an oversized tub, double vanity sink, and walk-in shower. Upstairs, you will find 2 additional bedrooms connected by a full bath. This bedroom also has a connecting office. A screened breezeway joins the home to the double garage, which houses the private 4th bedroom and full bath in the upstairs. Make this beautiful low-country home located on 2 large lots your family's dream come true.